I wanted to reiterate something
Because
I'll just ask Mike. I'll just ask when I'm allowed to talk, since First Amendment
let us
can't
know when you're
control
done.
himself. You see
Yeah,
what I
no
mean?
That's correct.
He's a
control
crash out.
myself.
He's a
You guys
crash
are
out.
clowns. You guys
Yeah,
are
he needs to
walking,
pass.
talking
Been there, buddy.
clowns.
So you just let us know when we have permission to
that nobody
respond.
cares about.
All right, First Amender.
I get it. You're excited. You believe that life came from non-living chemicals in some warm pond billions of years ago. It's very cute. But notice how he can't control himself.
Yeah,
see,
don't.
You can give them the last word, because I'd like to see their answer to that.
I mean, the answer is simple. We simply don't know. We don't posit a God hypothesis when we don't
Thank
know.
you. Just concession after concession.
He says, for Dr. Ron, how do you explain the April 2025 Nature study showing chimps and humans differ by 410 million base pairs, not 40 million? So go ahead and respond to that, and then just let me know when you're done. And then if Amender wants to respond as well. I just realized you stopped.
Not familiar with that paper, so I can't respond to that. Amender, do you know that paper?
I don't know off the top of my head.
I have to go read it and do my homework.
Yeah.
This is the big problem with all of these kinds of things. There's just so much information out there that no single human brain can contain it all. And so this is where we, the defenders of science, are actually at a disadvantage, because they'll always be able to come up with something, some question about some obscure little thing, and maybe not so obscure, that we just don't know, because we're not professional biologists and we don't have all this stuff off the top of our head. We have to go look things up. So don't, for the audience, they want to claim victory because they've asked us questions that we couldn't answer off the top of our heads, but that is absolutely not the case, because that's not how it works.
So I'm very much aware of that paper. This tells me that evolutionists, they're not up to date on the origins debate. That's why it's easy to refute evolutionists these days. They're not up to the 2024 paper on the most sophisticated analysis looking at the genetics of the great apes and humans. This is a major paper. I mean, this has been talked about everywhere. And then both of these evolutionists, and Ron says, oh, the side of the side of the science is not those who believe they're related to ladybugs and banana plants. We demonstrated that here tonight. The latest data in the 2024 Nature paper, if I'm correct on the one that's being cited, actually shows that when you consider everything, size differences, gaps, copy number variations, both alignable and non-alignable sections of the human and chimpanzee genome, the humans, and I understand you're excited, First Amender, but allow me to finish demolishing your point.
Agreed. I just said that would be a good idea, but I know we're going to have too much.
Yeah, let's make it 7 minutes instead. We want to hear out.
It hasn't
been.
Well, first,
but I understand. He's
fair,
excited.
Right?
He believes he's related.
Control.
He's excited. He believes he's related to banana plants. He was demolished here tonight. Yeah, so the overall genetic similarity now is actually about 85% when you consider everything between humans and chimps. But you know what? I love the Y chromosome because it's less than 30%. It's the differences that make all the difference. And I'm still waiting for First Amender to offer me a sophisticated mathematical model. I'll be waiting a long time, I'm sure, though.
Can I have the last word here?
Go ahead, and then I'll ask the next question.
If this paper was the breakthrough that you claim, why hasn't it been front page news?
It has been.
Not in any of the papers I've read.
Well, you got to get out of the Arthur books and the Franklin. You got to get into the literature, Ron. Are you, what's your favorite Arthur? What's your favorite Arthur book?
He says you have to get into the literature while also saying mitochondrial.
If this were true, it would be front page news.
It was front page news, Ron.
Not on the New York Times. It wasn't.
It was everywhere.
I do read the Times.
It wasn't in the movie trailers before
it would be the biggest scientific breakthrough in the history of science. And it
was hotly discussed.
Next one here is from Even Lord again. He says, do you think the Animal Planet channel damaged people's belief in evolution when they made and aired their Mermaids and Last Dragon pseudo documentaries? And that's going to be for First Amender and Ron. Go ahead, you guys.
I don't know if it was specifically those documentaries, but I'll be honest. I think that when we have removed scientific research and instead put in place internet podcasts and entertainment, it has resulted in the dumbing down of society, as well as the rejection of higher science and learning has also resulted in, there's also the teaching to the test and the fact that we don't, that we allowed cell phones and smartphones throughout
and
grade
frankly,
school.
YouTube debates. I'm sad to say.
It is sad. Yes, that too.
But you believe you're related to a dung beetle, and you call that science.
And a
You
walking
share a
stick.
common
right?
ancestor, a
That-
very
that's
distant
funny.
common ancestor over the
Yeah,
course
that's
of
your
hundreds
assertion
of
and
millions
your
of years.
that
That's
sounds
not,
like-
Hey, that's
you're
your
not
story in
related
fairy
to a
tale.
dung
Hey,
beetle,
listen, Amanda, you
right? Like
behave like a
you don't
child,
possess a
man.
vertebrate, right?
And you're
But you,
evolving back into a child before our eyes. Maybe you guys are right.
I mean, I'm
We're
just
going the wrong way.
explaining to you the reality.
Yeah,
You
that's not-
He's
let's
just
not
like
very
the answer.
excited. He gets the chance to get
Yeah, I do
refuted
get
for
very
3 hours.
excited,
Remember-
but I've
So
explained it.
I wanted to
and you just
reiterate
don't
something
like the
because
answer.
Yeah,
because
he just
I'll
wants
It's
I'll
a
to-
just
very
ask
clear
Mike when
answer.
I'll just ask when I'm allowed to talk since
Yeah,
First
just
Amendment
let us
can't
know when you're
control
done.
himself. You see
Yeah,
what I
no
mean?
self-control.
That's correct.
He's
I
a
cannot control
crash out.
myself.
He's a
You guys are
crash out.
clowns. You guys
Yeah,
are
he needs to have
walking,
a fire.
talking
Get in there, buddy.
clowns.
So you just
I'm
so
glad-
you just let us
Side
know
freak
when we have
shows
permission
that
to
nobody
respond.
cares about.
All right, First Amender, I'm letting everyone answer that question. So it's time for these two to get it out real quick, and we're going to move right on.
The hard alcohol's kicking in, folks.
It's been kicking in all day, probably all week, really.
Since morning.
So you'd have to be drunk to believe you're related to grass and ladybugs. So
That's
at least the
fact.
person who came up with that.
Yeah, that
So
again is
it's
not
fun.
the
Oh,
argument.
he can't control himself.
No, so- well,
Put the
hey.
bottle down. I get it. You're excited. You believe that life came from non-living chemicals in some warm pond billions of years ago. It's very
I
cute.
John,
But notice
not the
how
argument.
see, he
All
can't
right.
control
Okay,
himself.
yeah, dude,
see,
don't
he's very
unmute
insecure.
yourself
He's not
when I mute
confident.
you, because I just want him to hurry up and say what he wants to say so we can move on. And Donnie, if you could keep
Yeah, we do got to let the
the
Christian nationalists talk. Go ahead.
Donnie, keep the
Well,
pointed
I'm just
insults
proving
to
that
a
he can't
little
control
bit,
himself.
a little bit lower there, so he doesn't feel motivated to respond every 2 seconds to you. That way,
I'll
we
treat
can
him like
just-
a child.
We can just get
I'll treat him like
your
I get it.
answer
I don't want to
the
trigger him.
question.
I don't want to trigger the
There's
little
going to be
child.
plenty of
So-
time for triggers later in these other questions, but yeah, you don't need to go over the line to do it on your own there.
Okay, so Ron and First Amendment, the documentaries and this and that, or getting people away from hard science. Good. No, it's just assertion and claim after assertion and claim that it's evolutionary theory or naturalistic origins that is good science. Just one point, and maybe they can address it later, that wasn't addressed the whole debate. What about the origin of these mutually interdependent systems? What came first, DNA or DNA repair enzymes? Because the information for the DNA repair enzymes is in the DNA, but you need the DNA repair enzymes to actually fix all these DNA breaks, or else we'd go extinct after a few generations. Only the creation model can best account for mutually interdependent systems. That's real science. Evolution's not real science.
Like ATP. There's a few.
Oh, we're just giving them one. Yeah,
Yeah.
we could go for 10. You can give them the last word because I'd like to see their answer to that.
I mean, the answer is simple. We simply don't know. We don't posit a God hypothesis when we don't
Thank
know.
you.
Wait,
that
Just
argument is
concession
valid.
after concession. Sam, did you
Okay,
think this
okay,
debate would be this
no, it's
easy?
not an
Let them
argument.
respond. You don't
Naturalism
need to.
That,
He
doesn't know.
argument is analogous to saying that because we don't know what Julius Caesar had for breakfast the day he crossed the Rubicon, that Julius Caesar must not have existed.
So it's
John,
pseudoscience,
whoever told you
right?
that was a good response, go get your
Yeah.
money back. They lied to you.
It's not falsifiable according to Ron.
All right, we're
So
going
that's
to the
what I
next
said.
question. We're going to the next
Pseudoscience
These
question.
all the
atheists
way.
deny science. They're not even interested
These
in
guys are
these,
so
these mega
pathetic.
questions about
Yeah, well,
origins.
you guys need to do better.
Just for the record,
For
I
real.
came up with that one myself, so thank you very much. But